Alright, so these are surface mount boxes. You would use these in different areas where a jack may not work or you want to hide the jack. You see they came with their own instructions. The jacks are on the inside. You just open it up. This is some sticky tape to mount it to a side. And you push these down. And that's the inside. You can see it has the cabling standard, whether A or B. And you punch down your cable, bring it in through the back there. And then there are 2 screws that will allow you to either screw the box in, or you can use the sticky tape to sticky it to the back of a cube or on the inside of the cube so nobody can see the actual box. And then you plug the cable in to the connector. Same thing for the dual. Comes with its own sticky double tape there. You take this off, and now you have dual connections using A or B standard. You plug them in, and then you use your either screws here or sticky double-sided tape to connect it to the cube, and then you plug your patch cables into